Modern warfare doesn't always advance. Sometimes it catches up. Today, we don't enter a battlefield. We enter where reach is manufactured. This is ATACMS. This is Global Arms Factory.
This system appears largely functional according to the schematics.
And the overhead crane looks salvageable. We should prioritize.
The servos are completely seized.
And the structural integrity readings are critical right here.
We can't power this section up safely.
Check the torque on joint 3. It's still reading low. Okay, applying another micro adjustment now.
The internal telemetry logs match the impact data we pulled from the port here. The housing is intact, but the seals show stress fractures.
Lowering sequence initiated. Hold position at 5 meters.
Roger that. Holding steady. Alignment looks good.
Approaching the alignment markers now. Steady as she goes.
Roger that. All parameters holding steady.
Sequence initialized, vibration levels nominal.
Okay, shifting to thermal analysis now. Check the nose cone readings.
Seal looks good. Green light on the integrity check.
Copy that. Logging the data now.
Seal 12 reading is nominal.
Confirm. Proceed to 13.
torque wrench engaged.
Secure all 4 points to spec. Confirm green indicators.
Final torque applied.
Readings are nominal. Proceed with sealing.
We are clear for final approach. 2 millimeters remaining.
Adjusting now. Confirmed alignment. Proceeding with locking sequence.
We have full seating on the alignment pin.
Applying torque to specification.
Confirmed green on the diagnostic.
Alignment nominal. Proceeding with the final torque sequence.
Confirmed on the checklist. All systems green for lock. The voltage spikes here are completely unacceptable.
I know, but if we adjust this resistor, the frequency drops below tolerance. Yeah.
Did you check the thermal output?
This resistor needs to be precisely placed for the module to function correctly.
Looks good.
Now, look at the schematic for the power regulation.
What are you getting on the voltage regulator, James?
It's reading 3.3 volts steady.
Good, the connection looks solid now.
Attention all personnel. Ensure Lot 4B is cleared for immediate transport.
Hydraulic power engaged. Aligning. Locking mechanism engaged. Systems go. Weapons secure.
Easy. Hold it right there.
Connection secure. Running diagnostics.
Bay 1, pod secure.
Copy. Running diagnostics. Solid connection confirmed.
All right, bring it down slow. You're clear on the left.
Copy that.
Steady pressure and locked. System reports green. Torque value met. 400 foot-pounds, holding steady.
Confirmed. Final torque complete. Green light. The sequence is complete. We have a confirmed pass on all metrics.
Acknowledged. Powering down the diagnostic link now. The guidance system is drawing nominal current. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Final sequence check initiated. We have a pass.
Alignment is green. Proceed with the final descent.
Clamps engaged. Pressure holding steady.
Watch the alignment. Set on the rails. Engage the locks. Clear to elevate. Roger that. Alignment is good.
Confirmed. Locked on target. Stand by for launch sequence.
Hold it right there. Clear on the left side. Send it home. Hold alignment. Ready for seating. Roger. Pressure set. Clamps engaged.
Eyes up. Approaching checkpoint 3. Stay alert. Sierra 1 Nil Canoe. Base camp in sight. All units, establish perimeter. Launch sequence initiated. Over.
A missile doesn't change a war, but range changes where it starts to hurt.
ATACMS is not just a weapon, it's a decision. And when that decision becomes production, the story changes. And this is just the beginning. This is a global arms factory.